Hello and welcome back. All right, we have part 1 and 2 complete. Going to move on to part 3. So here's what we got now. Got out of the garage. It's a beautiful day out. There she is. Inflated the tires, even though they have dry rot. Oil's good. Everything's good. What I mentioned last video that we have to address is the fuse box. Now, it's a little worse now than initially because I've been picking at it, but this is the new fuse that I got. It's got a nice connector in theory, however, it goes left and it goes right. So, I don't think we're going to be able to use this. So the plan is to basically find out the main headlight, signal, and ignition, and we're just going to splice them in using butt connectors. I'm going to do one at a time so that I don't end up getting anything crossed. Looks pretty simple though. All the wires have stripes. It's also a much thicker gauge for the main. Signal's brown, obviously. Ignition red with a white. Headlights red with a yellow. Let's get started. So here's what we got. Heat, fuse box, wire cutters, whole bunch of butt connectors. Looking at the bike itself, the ones that are larger gauge would be the main, and as weird as it is, the input of the tail lights. So that's going to get a 16. And these are all going to get, I'm sorry, this is going to get, I think 14 to 16. These are going to get the 18 to 20s. So we'll start splitting these open and get everything going. Well, we've got the butt connectors on. I staggered a couple of them just so that they don't get too crazy when they go on the bike and the harness. I can strap them down. So let's get the heat shrink done, at least on this side. Got the fuse box off. This just snapped, so that is what that is. I may try to dig, get just a little bit more out, but we'll see what happens. All right, good. This will all be taped shut when it's all done. So what do we got here? We got the side of headlight. There's that. Where's the other half? That's weird. Well then, I don't know where it went. So here's where we are now. I've got all the wires cut, and I'm gonna start splicing them into the new fuse box. See how that goes. Curious how the wires are gonna fall, but not too late to adjust them, which is good. All the wires are now spliced. I have not cleaned them up yet or taped them, but I wanted to first check to make sure that everything works. So, all right, that's a good start. It's a good start too. Check the headlight. Headlight's good. So that's a win. Gonna shrink these guys down. Start tucking away. I've got these good enough for now. Kind of anxious to get out on the bike and take it for a spin, so I'm gonna put the seat back on and let's go for a ride. back home safe. Let's call it a day.